Hey everyone, it's Calwayne, and welcome back to Calwayne Health TV. We all know the power of a balanced and nutritious diet. Have you ever stopped to think about how your food affects your body's pH balance? Maintaining a slightly alkaline environment within our bodies is crucial for optimal health. When we consume too many acidic foods, it can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to inflammation and other health issues. Today, we'll dive into 7 incredible alkaline foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet to help naturally boost your health and keep your body in tip-top shape. First up, we have a true superstar of the leafy green world, spinach. Remember Popeye and how he used spinach for superhuman strength? While it might not give you bulging biceps, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for everything from maintaining healthy vision and boosting your immune system to promoting strong bones. But one of the things that makes spinach truly special is its high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll is a natural detoxifier that helps neutralize acidity in the body, promoting a more alkaline environment. You can easily sneak it into your diet without even realizing it. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothies for a nutritional boost that blends right in. You can toss it into your salads for a refreshing crunch or sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. One of my favorite ways to enjoy spinach is in a green smoothie. Just blend together a cup of spinach with some frozen fruit like berries or bananas, a splash of almond milk, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a refreshing and alkalizing breakfast or snack. Trust me, you won't even taste the spinach, but your body will thank you for it. Next up, we have a fruit that needs no introduction, the beloved avocado. Seriously, who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and incredibly versatile. But did you know that avocados are also highly alkaline and packed with health benefits? Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, also known as the good fats. These healthy fats not only help lower bad cholesterol levels, but also support heart health. The healthy fats and fiber content in avocados work together to slow down digestion, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent those dreaded energy crashes. This slow and steady energy release also contributes to a more balanced pH level in the body. One of the simplest ways is to spread some avocado on whole grain toast in the morning for a satisfying and nutrient-rich breakfast. You can also add avocado slices to your salads, sandwiches, or even your favorite soups for a creamy and flavorful boost. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to up your avocado intake, try adding half an avocado to your next smoothie. It will give your smoothie a rich and creamy texture while adding a healthy dose of alkalinity and essential nutrients. Let's move on to a vegetable that's as refreshing as it is healthy, the cucumber. Cucumbers are like the ultimate thirst quencher, with a water content of about 95%. That's right, they're practically all water. But don't let their simplicity fool you. Cucumbers are packed with alkaline properties that can work wonders for your health. First and foremost, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. Proper hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy pH balance. When you're dehydrated, your body has a harder time flushing out acidic waste products, which can disrupt your pH levels. Cucumbers help flush out these toxins, keeping you hydrated and your system running smoothly. Cucumbers also contain minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which act as natural electrolytes. Electrolytes are essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. So not only do cucumbers quench your thirst, but they also replenish your body with these vital nutrients. Of course, you can always enjoy them sliced up in salads or as a refreshing snack on their own. But here's a recipe idea that I absolutely love: cucumber lemon water. Simply slice up a cucumber and a lemon, add them to a pitcher of water, and let it infuse in the fridge for a couple of hours. The result is a refreshing and alkalizing drink that's perfect for sipping throughout the day. Now let's talk about another leafy green superstar that deserves a spot on our list: kale. Kale has gained quite a reputation as a superfood in recent years, and for good reason. This cruciferous vegetable is an alkaline powerhouse, jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in countless ways. One of the things that makes kale so special is its high concentration of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin, Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function, and vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. It's also a good source of minerals like magnesium and calcium, which are essential for maintaining a healthy pH balance. Magnesium, in particular, plays a crucial role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those involved in regulating pH levels. Incorporating kale into your diet can provide your body with the tools it needs to effectively neutralize excess acid and maintain a healthy alkaline environment. Kale is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can add kale to your smoothies, soups, and stews for a nutritional boost, or you can sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. One of my favorite ways to enjoy kale is in a salad with roasted vegetables, a sprinkle of nuts, and a light vinaigrette. Now this next one might come as a surprise to some of you. We're talking about lemons. Yes, you heard that right, lemons. I know what you're thinking. But lemons are acidic. How can they be alkaline? And you're absolutely right. Lemons are acidic in their natural state. But here's the fascinating part. Once metabolized by the body, lemons actually have an alkalizing effect. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which, despite its name, doesn't create acidity in the body once digested. Instead, citric acid is broken down into bicarbonates, which are naturally alkaline compounds that help neutralize excess acid in the body. Not only that, but lemons are also a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells against damage from free radicals. One of the simplest and most effective ways to enjoy the alkalizing benefits of lemons is to start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. Warm lemon water can help kickstart your digestion, stimulate your metabolism, and alkalize your body, setting you up for a healthier and more energized day. Let's add some color to our list with bell peppers. These vibrant vegetables are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly nutritious and have an alkalizing effect on the body. Bell peppers come in various colors, including green, red, yellow, and orange, and each color offers a unique set of nutrients. One thing that all bell peppers have in common is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C, as we discussed earlier, is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect your cells against damage. They're also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber plays a crucial role in balancing your body's pH levels by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria help break down food properly and prevent the overgrowth of harmful bacteria, which can contribute to acidity and inflammation. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or even roasted. One of my favorite ways to enjoy bell peppers is to slice them up and dip them in hummus. Last but not least, let's talk about a nut that's both delicious and nutritious: almonds. Almonds are a fantastic addition to an alkaline diet, and they're packed with health benefits that go far beyond balancing your pH levels. Almonds are a great source of plant-based protein, making them a great snack option for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to up their protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining a healthy immune system. But almonds are more than just a protein powerhouse. They're also an excellent source of healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. The combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein in almonds makes them incredibly satisfying and helps keep you feeling full and energized between meals. This can be especially helpful if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight or manage your blood sugar levels. One of the easiest ways is to simply enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack. You can also add almonds to your breakfast cereals, yogurt, or salads for an extra crunch and a nutritional boost. So there you have it, folks. 7 amazing alkaline foods that can transform your health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help balance your body's pH levels, reduce inflammation, and boost overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet is key, and these alkaline foods are a delicious and easy way to support your body's natural healing capabilities. Whether you add them to smoothies, salads, or enjoy them as snacks, these foods are a simple and delicious way to take control of your health. Small changes can make a big difference, and incorporating these alkaline foods into your daily routine is a step towards a healthier and happier you. Before you go, let us know in the comments which of these foods you'll be trying first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwayne Health TV for more health tips and inspiration. Check out our description box below for more information and product recommendations. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into more natural ways to boost your health.